Landing pages are one of the most critical parts of a website's design. For many visitors arriving via paid and organic search or other channels, a landing page might be the first page they see when they enter your domain. That's why a good design is essential to catch their attention and quickly provide them with the next steps, whether that's to browse, shop, or sign up for your email. To nail your next landing page, let us introduce you to our list of the 10 best landing page design templates for 2022. All the items included on this list are available on ThemeForest, Envato's marketplace, where you can purchase individual assets like WordPress themes, HTML5 templates, PHP scripts, and everything in between to make your web development and design process easier. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Upwind Tailwind CSS Landing Page Template by Shri Themes. Upwind is a fully responsive, clean, and modern HTML5 landing page template based on the latest Tailwind CSS version 3. It includes 7 different homepages, a working contact form, and Google Web Fonts integrated. Number 9. Picap App and SASS Software Single-Page HTML Template by Envy Theme. Picap is a minimal, clean template created with Bootstrap 5.x and SASS. The template is suitable for mobile apps, software, or website landing pages. There are 3 versions to choose from, compatible with WordPress, Angular, and React. Number 8. Oliver Tailwind CSS and Bootstrap 5 Landing Template by ThemesBoss. Based on Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS, this multi-purpose template is an ideal layout for business startups, web studios, or even SEO agencies. It includes 3 fully customizable landing pages featuring font icons, SASS support, and Google Fonts. Number 7. Suvan Personal Portfolio and CV HTML Template by ZCube Design. This template is suitable for promoting a creative agency or freelance services. The page has a professional and trustworthy feel thanks to its clean, modern, and organized design. Number 6. Launch Page Premium HTML Landing Page Template by Epic Themes. Built on Bootstrap 4.13, Launch Page is a minimalist, Retina-ready, and easy-to-use template. It's cross-browser compatible, SEO-friendly, and includes responsive layouts, Google Fonts, and jQuery features. If you're finding these templates useful, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos showcasing more web and code assets. Number 5. LaunchKit Landing Page Variant Builder by Medium Rare. Take your startup business website to the next level and amp up your mobile app experience with LaunchKit's fitness and catering landing page. This kit puts reusable HTML and modular CSS first, blending contemporary styling with beautiful markup throughout each HTML template. Number 4. AppsLand App Landing Page HTML Template by SoftNeo. Are you looking for a template to promote your app? AppsLand is a fully responsive mobile app landing template based on Bootstrap. With 6 different layouts, 10 pre-built color presets, and Themify icon support, this kit creates a great starting point to showcase your content. Number 3. Get Leads Landing Pages Pack with Page Builder by ThemeDepth. This is a super versatile landing page pack. Built with HTML5 and CSS3, it features an SEO builder, drag and drop HTML page builder, 9 ready-to-use templates, responsive design, and PayPal and MailChimp integration. Number 2. Megapack Marketing HTML Landing Pages Pack by Pixfort. Megapack is a very apt name for this landing page template. The 1.3 update from Pixfort landed with excellent new features like Google Analytics integration, 3 email marketing services, Google reCAPTCHA, and Pixfort Builder. Perfect for creating a stunning landing page quickly and easily. Number 1. Cryptoland ICO Landing Pages and Cryptocurrency HTML Pack by Arturanek. Created with a cryptocurrency theme in mind, Cryptoland is the perfect kit for creating a tech landing page featuring vibrant colors and futuristic icons. This template includes 6 landing pages, 6 animated HTML files, and a responsive layout, perfect for introducing visitors to your latest products and innovations. We've come to the end of our list. Let us know in the comments which of these templates suits your project best. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. You might want to look at the video thumbnail shown on your screen. You'll like it. It's been selected just for you. Catch you in the next video.